Welcome to the Factory Deep Dive. We have all the Feastables flavors right here. Now that we've seen the product, we're going inside the production floor. After a quick sanitize, we're heading straight onto the floor. As we step inside, you can already see the iconic molds moving down the line.
Welcome to the manufacturing line. Step 1, intake. Here the beans are poured into the hopper, and the vibrating feeder carries them forward to the cleaning line.
Shell off, nibs on.
This is the base.
Mix, refine, conche. We're now loading the Feastables chocolate flakes into the conche. This mixing process is essential for the smooth texture.
A tiny amount makes a big difference.
Next, tempering.
Checking set and shine.
All right, the moment you've been waiting for. The Feastables chocolate is perfectly tempered and ready to fill these molds. Look at that precision.
Next, the sample moves to the QA lab for a final quality check. Once approved, the batch is cleared for release.
And here it is, the finished Feastables chocolate bar, perfectly packaged and ready to be enjoyed. Let's take a look inside.
And this is what we look for, a perfect, clean snap, showing the fine texture of the chocolate inside.
The texture of the snap is key, showing excellent aeration. Rubbing the corner reveals that perfect melt sheen, yet it holds firm when tapped.
Wow, the flavor profile on this is exactly what we wanted. It really highlights the quality of the cocoa beans we selected earlier.
From the beans to the liquor, through the tempering machine, and into the molds. That's the chain.
From the mixing vats straight to the shipping floor, we make sure every Feastables bar is perfect before it heads out.
It's finally ready. You guys are gonna absolutely love the new and improved Feastables bar.